Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The US 6-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. The Belgian leading indicator at 13 GMT. Finland's producer price index will be released at 5 GMT. Japan's leading economic index at 5 GMT. Japan's coincident index at 5 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Oil prices steadied to end last week, amid uncertainty surrounding a potential peace deal between Russia and Ukraine, with prices gaining on the week for the first time in 3 weeks. Gold prices rebounded to end last week, buoyed by heightened expectations of a September rate cut, following comments from Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell at the central bank's Jackson Hole Symposium. The European Central Bank is likely to keep interest rates on hold next month, but discussions about further cuts may well resume in the autumn if the economy weakens. ECB President Christine Lagarde said in July the Eurozone's central bank was in a good place as it left its key rate at 2%.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
The dollar dropped 0.9% against the yen in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair plummeted 2.5% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair exploded 1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The oil rose 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.